Hello, guys. It's Kate back with the EARN Network, your favorite and the leading DeFi marketplace for all your crypto investments. Today's video is going to be a little different. I'm going to show you guys how to stake LP tokens, so liquidity provider tokens. And by staking LP tokens, the user gets exposure to 50% EARN and 50% wrapped CRO, which means your investment is more diversified. By supporting the EARN ecosystem, we have more liquidity, which means freer trading. Now, if we scroll down, we can get into the EARN and Wrapped Crow staking pool. All right, the first thing we're going to do is connect our wallet. Click on the top right, connect wallet, and then MetaMask. Okay, guys, now we're going to head on over to VVS Finance. You can see the address up top, vvs.finance. And here is where we're going to create our LP tokens. Okay, the first step is to click trade up top here and then swap. Fantastic. Okay, let's click over here where you have USDC and we're going to find wrapped CRO. You can type it in WCRO. There it is. Okay. Now let's take 50 CRO and we will swap it into 50 wrapped CRO. Click wrap. Confirm the transaction. Okay, looks like it went through. Now let's click liquidity, go up to trade and click liquidity, and then we're gonna hit standard V2. We're gonna click the blue button at the bottom, add liquidity. Okay, from here, we're gonna click standard V2. Then we're gonna find our tokens. First one is wrapped CRO. Let's click it. Okay, and of course, earn right over here. Now for the input, let's click max. You guys can choose whatever you like, of course. I'm gonna do max. Okay, the earn token has input itself as they have to be proportionate to the market value. On the bottom, click enable. Let's confirm this in our wallet. Okay, we have our receipt. Everything should be fine. Now remember, guys, on VVS Finance, you can purchase the EARN token as well as CRO. We do urge you to purchase EARN, to purchase a lot of EARN, so please do so. Okay, let's hit supply. Now you have everything nicely displayed for you here. You're going to receive, well, I'm going to receive 532 LP tokens. So this is it right here. Then if you look on the bottom, your share in the pool is listed right here, percentage-wise. So now all that's left to do is hit confirm. There we go, all done. Okay, now we can go back to the EARN network. And we are back in our pool and we can continue with staking. We have our wallet already connected. So let's head on down and check out rewards we have for this one. As you guys see, there is a lot of them here. Look at that. Wow, that's a really long list. Okay, cool. The more rewards, the better. As always, guys, expand these arrows to have all the information you need to know what to do to receive each reward. Cool. Let's scroll back up. Just a little side note for this one, after staking, in addition to prizes from fees, you will also receive prizes from the $20,000 prize pool. Rewards are added in the form of various tokens that have massive potential because they will often be meme coins or awesome gems. So take that into consideration as an added bonus. Okay, now let's stake. On the right side, as always, we have our staking. Let's first enter in the amount we wish to stake. If you guys want to do max, click max, of course. I will do for this one maybe 700. In the reward summary below, as you change the amount and the lockup period, you can see the rewards changing for you. So automatically you know what you can receive towards the end. Okay. Above the amount, we have our lockup period. You guys can choose from preset days by clicking these oval buttons, or you can use the slider and get the amount of days you wish. I guess let's do 220 days for this one. 700 tokens. Scroll a little bit down and click stake. Of course, we will confirm the transaction in our wallet. Great. We have successfully staked 700 earned and wrapped CRO tokens. If we scroll back down, you can see, oh, we already have a lot of rewards we can claim, probably because we are staking other tokens on the EARN network. So you guys, the more you stake, the more rewards you will always be earning. For these three, we already have started earning the rewards. They will be available at the end of our lockup period, or as you can see, 60 days, 90 days, 120 days. So they vary. Please check those out. Scroll back up. Now, if you wish to unstake for any crazy reason, you can do so here. For the full guide, head on over to our white paper or to the link in the description to this video. And to claim your rewards, you can do that right over here. Hit the claim button and enjoy the rewards we have for you. As always, if you have any questions, hover over all these little question marks. Everything is nicely described for you to help you out during the staking process. Up top on the right side, if you click the green button and My Investments, we are in our dashboard. You can see all of your stake gems right over here. We have a lot of those. Well, I have a lot of those. Hopefully you guys do too. And then back on our homepage, check out all of our top crypto gems, not available elsewhere. All these cool things you guys can be earning yield on. All right, in the bottom, our white paper, our earn token, and our articles and updates here for you guys. If you wish to contact our customer support, hit the green button on the bottom right of the page and send us a message if you have any issues or would just like to have a nice chat with us. We are here to hear you out. Okay, guys, that's it for this one. Have a wonderful day and enjoy staking with the EARN Network. See you in the next one.